In this video, we're going to demonstrate the pressure leak test capabilities of the Fluke 729 Automatic Pressure Calibrator. In this test, we have the Fluke 729 connected to a pressure transmitter, and we've loosened up the connection to cause a leak. Starting out, we just go into Tasks, and you'll notice the number 4 selection is Pressure Leak Test. So you can press number 4 to select. Here we can set up how far we're going to pressure the system. We'll select 50 psi. The settling time is set for 10 seconds, and that is how long it settles before the test begins, and then the test time we'll set for 30 seconds. Press F4 to continue, and then just press Auto Test. The 729 is setting the pressure at 50 psi, and it is now going to settle and then start the leak test for about 30 seconds. Now this is a great way of troubleshooting your pressure system. If you have problems doing calibrations, this will help you diagnose what the pressure leak rate is in the system. Then you can go take measures to fix the problem. You'll notice as it's winding the test time down, you see the leak rate being recorded in psi per minute. Once the test is completed, it will show you the start pressure, the end pressure, the test time, of course, 30 seconds, and you see in this case we had a leak rate of 3.8 psi per minute.